got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle.
For all my clients with your beautiful silver grills, high polish especially, as you can see, you can do it for silverware as well. This is a silver shine polish. Got the big bottles for you guys. These are at $20 right now. You can pick these up in store, or we can ship them to you if you need one. I know a lot of my clients been asking for how to keep their grills, especially the silver grills, up to par, looking great. And this is how you do it, guys. This is for all fine sterling silver and silver plate, silverware, all of that good stuff. Go see Fred, you guys. Thank you.
I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle gold grills tighter than rose clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole